Welcome to this captivating home in the highly desirable Woodhaven neighborhood, where beautiful updates, space, and location come together. Just steps from top-rated schools, parks, and walking trails, you'll enjoy a community known for its charm and convenience. Discover a bright open floor plan with a cozy gas fireplace and large windows that fill the home with natural light. The kitchen is a true centerpiece with rich cherry cabinets, stainless appliances, a wine and beverage cooler, and sleek granite counters. The four-season porch offers year-round enjoyment with power for a hot tub and direct access to the backyard, a unique retreat for relaxing in every season. The living room flows into the dining area, an ideal setting for entertaining. French doors open to the large office with built-ins. Upstairs, you'll find well-appointed bedrooms, including a relaxing primary suite with a spa-inspired bath, separate tub, and a custom walk-in shower. A versatile bonus or fourth bedroom includes a unique cubby-style flex space, perfect for hobbies or a creative retreat. Out back, enjoy a patio built for entertaining in the updated, fully fenced backyard with all new landscaping, irrigation, and room for a garden or play structure. With its prime location, thoughtful details, and move-in ready style, this home is one you won't want to miss. For your personal tour, please contact Chris Olson with Premier Property Group.